Welcome to Calvince Online Math. Let us look at this interesting equation. The expression 6 times the fifth root of 3 power 5 x power 45 times the 8th root of 2 power 8 times x is equivalent to ax raised to power b, where a and b are positive constants and x is greater than 1. What is the value of a plus b? So we just need to apply the laws of indices to rewrite this expression. So remember that the nth root of a number a raised to power m is given by a raised to power m over n. So having this in mind, we can write this as 6 times 3 raised to power 5 over 5 times x raised to power 5, 45 over 5 times 2 raised to power 8 over 8 times x raised to power 1 over 8. So we can simplify this, and that is 6 times 3 raised to power 1 times x raised to power 9 times 2 raised to power 1 and times x raised to power 1 over 8. So the next thing here will just be to collect the like terms. Let us take the constant ones first. That is 6 times 3 times 2. Then we have the x's. That is x raised to power 1 over 8. So 6 times 3 times 2 is equal to 36. And then because the bases are the same, we can apply the laws of indices, which says that if you multiply two numbers with the same base and different powers, you just add the powers. So that is what we're going to use here. It means here we have x raised to power 9 plus 1 over 8. So this is just 36x. If you add these two, you're going to get that to be 73 over 8. And remember, the equation was for us to find a plus b. And this particular expression is equivalent to a x raised to power b. So we just equate these to a x power b. When we do that, it is clear that a and 36 are equivalent. So a is equal to 36, and the bases are the same. That is x and x are the same. So it means the powers are also the same. It means b is equivalent to 73 over 8. So now a plus b will be 36 plus 73 over 8. We can combine these using the LCM, which is 8. So 1 into 8, 8 times 36 is 288, plus 8 into 8 ones times 73. And when we combine that, we're going to get that to be 361 over 8, which you can write in decimal as 45.125. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.